Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss about the operational amplifier parameters. In the earlier class, we have discussed the several parameters of the op-amp. Today, we are going to discuss about the two important parameters of the op-amp. These are the CMRR, common mode rejection ratio, and second one is the slew rate that is defined by SR. So these are the two important parameters which we are going to discuss. Also, we will discuss the comparison of the parameters of the several type of op-amp. So first, the common mode rejection ratio CMRR. Basically, the common mode rejection ratio is a measure of an op-amp's ability to reject the common mode signal. An infinite value of CMRR means that output is zero when the same signal is applied to both the inputs common mode. Means what is the CMRR? We see that its value should be high. Suppose it is the op-amp and there are two input of the op-amp V1 and V2 and output is the Vout. Now the gain of the op-amp in this condition is defined AOI differential gain is equal to Vout upon Vin. Vin basically the difference between the V1 and V2, that is the Vin. Now the what we will do, we we will zero the both V1 and V2. इनको या तो हम सेम कर देते हैं दोनों की वैल्यू को, then Vin will be zero. In that case, definitely if there is a gain, then Vout should also be zero, but it have the some value. The common mode gain ACM can be defined as Vout upon Vin. So ideally the common mode gain should be zero if we are not giving any input, but it have the some value. So CMRR is defined as the CMRR is defined as the ratio of AOI differential gain upon common mode gain ACM of the op-amp. So basically the ACM should be minimum to get the CMRR high. If there is a certain value of ACM, then definitely the CMRR have the low value. So that is written here कि CMRR is the value that shows that rejection of the common mode gain if there is a same input at both the input terminal. Infinite CMRR is never achieved in practice, but a good op-amp have a very high value of CMRR. Common mode signals are undesired interference voltage such as 50 Hz power supply ripple and noise voltages due to pickup of radiated energy. A high CMRR enables the op-amp to virtually eliminate these interference signals. The accepted definition of CMRR for an op-amp is the open loop voltage gain AY divided by the common mode gain. As we have seen in the diagram, that the open loop mode gain is AOI, and that is divided by the common mode gain when both input are 0. So that ratio is the CMRR. It is commonly expressed in decibel. Basically, the CMRR is defined in dB value. And what is the dB? To find the dB, we can use the formula 20 log AOI upon ACM, means 20 log and value of the CMRR obtained, we can get the, that is in dB value of CMRR. Now we can see the problem. Suppose a certain op amp has an open loop voltage gain of 1 lakh and a common mode gain of 0.25. Determine the CMRR and express it in decibel. So basically, if we use the formula to solve this problem, CMRR is equal to open loop gain AOI upon the common mode gain ACM. Now the value of the open loop gain, that is the 1 lakh, is the value of the open loop gain, and ACM is the 0.25. Now we can solve it. It is the about 4 lakh. So CMRR in dB can be calculated. CMRR is equal to 20 log and value of 4 lakh. So that will be about the 112 dB if we solve it. So that is the CMRR. Now next parameter is the slew rate. The maximum rate of change of the output voltage in response to a step input voltage is the slew rate of an op amp. The slew rate is dependent upon the high frequency response of the amplifier stages within the op amp. Slew rate is measured with an op amp connected as shown in figure. Suppose it is the op amp and slew rate is measured. Suppose it is the input signal. It is a step signal. This signal is called the step signal, which has the constant input value, and the resulting output voltage is shown here. The time difference is delta t from the minimum to maximum output. Now the slew rate will be delta Vt V out upon delta T, change in output as per change in input. That is the slew rate. As we can see, a certain time interval for the output voltage to grow from its lower value minus V maximum to its upper limit plus V maximum once the input step is applied. Slew rate is expressed as the delta V out slew rate बराबर what will be the delta V out, that will be the maximum and minimum value का जो difference होगा, that will be the delta V out. The unit of slew rate is volt per microsecond. So slew rate basically physically indicate that the signal output can be changed according to the input. If output is not follow the change in input properly, suppose change in input, suppose the change in input is very fast, ये बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट है, एंड चेंज इन आउटपुट इज स्लो, ये इसको फॉलो नहीं कर पाता है, देन स्लू रेट will be SR will be not proper. So we can see the one problem, the output voltage of a certain op-amp as shown in figure 6 in response to a step input. Determine the slew rate. The output goes from the lower to the upper limit in 1 microsecond as shown here. The lower limit to upper limit output goes in 1 microsecond. Since response is not ideal, the limits are taken at the 90% points as indicated. So the upper limit is plus 9 volt and the lower limit is minus 9 volt. The slew rate will be delta V out upon delta T is equal to 9 minus 9 upon time is 1 microsecond, then it will be the 18 microvolt per second, that is the slew rate, 18 microvolt per second. Now we can see when a pulse is applied to an op-amp, the output voltage goes from minus 8 to plus 7 volt in 0.75 microsecond. What is the slew rate? Now the slew rate can be calculated by the same formula. Change in output, that 7 slew rate will be 7R is equal to 7 minus 8 upon time period is the 0.75 इतने वोल्ट और it is in microsecond, so by which we can calculate the slew rate. Now comparison of the op-amp parameter. What is the there are different op-amp parameter. The table provide the comparison of values of some of the parameter just described several common IC op-amp like the input offset voltage LM741 IC, LM101A, OP113E, OP177A. These are the several ICs. And the input offset voltage is given in the millivolt, that is 6, 7.5, 0.075. It is a different for the different type of IC. In the similar manner, input bias current is the 500, 250, 600 or 350, 150, 2000, 1200. The input offset voltage is lower compared to the input bias current. Input impedance in mega ohm, ideally it should be infinity. It is a 0.3, 1.5, node define, or that is the 0.16, 10. These are the value of the input impedance. Open loop gain is 2 lakh, 1 lakh 60,000. It is also very high value, 24 lakh. Too much high gain, 2 lakh 40,000, 56,000, 3,500. It is the open loop gain. Slew rate is 0.5, 1.2, 0.3. It has the very high slew rate, 5500, 160, 1400, and CMRR value is also given of the different IC. So we have seen the different type of the op-amp parameters and their values. Thank you very much.